Hi students, God's blessings to all of you and welcome back to the online classes. The prolonged lockdown has necessitated that we continue with our online classes. Hope you remember when we stopped, we were studying The Tempest before the summer vacation began and we were learning Act 1, Scene 2. And I had told you, if you remember, that Act 1, Scene 2 is the longest scene in the entire book. And it has got three parts. Number one is Prospero's tale to Miranda. Second one is the introduction of Ariel and Caliban. And third one is the first meeting or the initial meeting of Ferdinand and Miranda. So far, we completed the first part. And before going any further, I wish we should have some extracts and question answers based on it.
1. Extract 1. Miranda. Oh, the day. Prospero. No harm. I have done nothing but in care of thee. Of thee, my dear one, thee, my daughter, who art ignorant of what art not knowing of where I am, nor that I am more better than Prospero, master of a full poor cell, and thy no greater father. Miranda, more to know, did never meddle with my thoughts, Prospero. 'Tis time I should inform thee further. Lend thy hand and pluck my magic garment from me. Now children, based on this, some questions. Question 1. Why does Miranda say, "Oh, the day"? How does Prospero console her? Miranda says, "Oh, the day," because the day was a very destructive one. On this day, she witnessed a shipwreck and the cries of the people in it. It pierced her heart. Prospero consoles Miranda by saying that no harm is done to any person. Second, why is Miranda ignorant of who she is? What does she remember of her childhood days? Miranda was ignorant of who she is because when she was very small, of just 3 years old, she was deposed from Milan along with her father, the Duke of Milan. She vaguely remembered that few women looked after her in her childhood. Question 3. How did Prospero and Miranda reach the particular place? By God's providence, a good person, that is Gonzalo, had furnished them with some food and drinks, provisions, and the magic books which Prospero valued most. They were deposed in an open sea and finally landed on the enchanted island. Number 4. Who had helped them? What did the helper do? Part of the answer is in the previous question, children. Questions answer. Fourth one. Gonzalo, the advisor of King Alonso, had helped them. The helper furnished them with provisions and magic books. All these he had put in a small boat in which they were boarded and left in the open sea. Question number 5. Why did Prospero say, I am more better than Prospero, master of a full poor cell, and thy no greater father? Prospero said this because he was in fact the Duke of Milan, but due to the evil plan of his own brother, he was compelled to live in a poor cell. He considered himself an unfortunate father of Miranda. The last question. Give the meaning of the following words as they are used in the context of the passage. Number 1 is meddle, that is enter into or strike. B. Pluck, that is remove or take away. Children, I wish you should write it in your notebook. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye.